Clean the bearing cup bore. You can either drive in or press in the bearing cup. First, we will show you the drive-in method. Position the bearing cup. Place the QT1801 installer on the cup and attach a QT1100 series driver handle. Use a 2 to 3 pound hammer to drive the cup in until it is fully seated. You should hear the impact tone change and feel a slight bounce back from the hammer when the cup is fully seated. Use compressed air to remove any minute chips from the installation process. The hub shown here has an ABS tone ring, so we will use a QT1264 support plate to keep the tone ring from being crushed during the press operation. Position the bearing cup in the bore. Then place the QT1801 installer on the cup. Add a press spacer if needed, then press in the cup until it is fully seated. Remove the adapter and the bearing cup installer, and this job is done. If you need more reach from the press ram to installer, optionally use one of our driver handles. QT1801 is also used to install many inner or outer front hub wheel bearing cups, inner or outer axle pinion bearing cups, New Venture NV4500 5-speed transmission input bearing cups, and NV5600 6-speed countershaft intermediate bearing cups. Use the flat side of the versatile QT1801 tool to install or remove many 80 to 90 millimeter ball bearings. The QT1801 has a full 360-degree contact with the edge of the bearing cup, so it will not damage either the cup or your part. The old way of installing a cup with a punch is just the opposite. Impact loads are highly concentrated in a tiny area of contact. The result is damaged parts and a worn tooltip. QT1801 is a USA-made tool sized to fit most 82 millimeter to 3 1/4 inch outside diameter tapered bearing cups. Design features include solid steel construction, tapered body to match cup angle, lead-in chamfer to prevent cup damage, 360-degree contact with the cup edge, 5/8 inch chamfered hole to attach tool to driver handle, flat backside with radius edge for installing ball bearings. Get the most out of your QT1801 cup installer with our optional QT1100 series 1 inch and 1 1/4 inch diameter driver handle.